Okay, so here's how we're gonna do this. We're gonna make a beach and we're gonna do it super fast so we can use this background for pivot. Here's how you do it. You're gonna select your pencil tool. You're gonna make sure that the fill button is turned off. You can turn it on and off. You're gonna make sure that your outline color is on 100%. And you're gonna make sure that you've selected black as the color for your line, okay? And we're just gonna draw a horizon line across like that. Then we're gonna draw a little area that's gonna be our beach. Notice that I am touching the sides with my line. I'm going all the way. In fact, I'm drew out past the edge. Now, I'm gonna go to my bucket tool. I'm gonna select a color for the sky. I'm gonna pick a light blue. I'm gonna make sure that it is on pixel fill, and I'm gonna click. Boom, made my blue. Next, I'm gonna hit enter just to make sure that locks my color. Now I'm gonna go back to the pixel fill. I'm gonna pick a darker blue for the water. I'm gonna click. I'm gonna hit enter. Then I'm gonna do another one, and I'm gonna make this be a sandy color. That looks like a sandy color. And you can, by the way, you can change any level of color to any shade of any color by going right here. And I'm gonna click, hit enter. Boom, done. And if I wanna get fancy, I could go to clip art and click on this little button here, and I'm gonna type in palm tree. You can click and drag, and you could have multiple palm trees. Hit enter, commit those shapes or those little check mark, and I'm done. If you wanna move those, you click on the arrow tool. You're like, I don't like the big palm tree. Good, get rid of it. You wanna make this a little bigger. Okay, whatevs. You can grab it, you can spin it. Put it on your beach, maybe right there. Enter. I'm done. That tutorial is quality. You can actually squish it. You can't really bend it. So if you want to bend it, you may have to draw it. So that's the very fast how to make a quick beach tutorial. And then when you're done, as always, you click on the little export symbol at the bottom. If you want to use it as a background for Pivot, a background, you would save it as a JPEG. And I would suggest naming it something like beach, BG, or beach background. Save it where you normally save. In this case, I'm saving these to my desktop, and then you would load it as a background from Pivot. All right, hope that's helpful, and that is my very quick version of this tutorial.